everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Talk. I'm Krista Pippi, and as promised, we are going to organize my fridge cabinet today. So I'll just show you a little bit of what's inside. So here you go. As you can see, it's an absolute disaster up there. Every time I have something and don't know where to put it, I put it above the fridge. So I'm going to organize this and show you what it looks like at the end, and we'll have some great ideas on how to organize over your fridge. So all of this came out from over my fridge. Don't judge me. I have a mixture of everything here, from tools and cedar planks, which are great for the barbecue, by the way. Lots of paperwork and tools and plates. So what I'm gonna do is put everything where it kind of belongs. And some of this don't belong over the fridge. Other stuff I'm gonna rehome. And don't forget to drink wine while you're reorganizing your kitchen, because it's very important to drink healthy. So we finally have it all completed over the fridge. It's all organized. What I did was went and bought some wicker baskets at the dollar store. They were only $2 each. And it's great for organizing your stuff. I have my tools in one basket, paperwork in another, some party supplies up top, so I know right where to go to get what I need instead of digging all through that stuff everywhere. So thanks for joining us on how to organize over the fridge. Next week we're going to tackle under my sink. So we'll see you next time, and happy organizing.